So today we're going to be talking about this Mayde loose wave hair. Y'all, let me tell you, I did not plan on doing a review on this hair, an install video on this hair, nothing, because as you see, the job is just botched. And that was, I don't want to say intentional, but yeah, it was. Like, I didn't even try. I was at my girlfriend's house and I just put it in. Like, she was asleep, I was watching the baby, and yeah, like I didn't feel like doing it. So like I did it so quickly. I didn't even do a perimeter braid. Did y'all see that pull up that I just showed you? Like yeah, it was awful. So it was just I wanted some color. It was just some hair I was going to use. I just wanted some color, just a little switch up or something. Until my other hair came that I am actually doing a review on. But anyway, while I was wearing that hair, I ended up doing some TikToks and doing some Instagram posts or whatever, and some Snapchat posts, and my inbox just like filled up. Everybody wanted to know about the hair. So I'm like, dang, I didn't even do a good job installing it, and I didn't even do a video about it. So yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and review the video for you. If you need an installation to compare it to, I would say the Mayde, what's it called? Mayde Deep Wave, I think. I'll put it down in the thing here. But that's one that you can go to. And actually, I'll do one better. I'll add the link in the description box to the video that's comparable to, how you would actually install this hair. Not the way I just did it here. But basically, to review the hair, what I feel like really determines the quality of the hair, or tells you, like what you're working with, is the snapback for me. Because usually crochet hair, if it, like once you wore it for a while and you, especially like you didn't take care of it, like I didn't take care of this hair, didn't wear a bonnet all the time, I didn't wear a shower cap all the time. I was all over the place with it. And this hair is colored as well at the ends. Oh, it's a 1B mixed with a 99J, or ombres down to a 99J. Anyway, once it frizzes and everything, sometimes the texture gets all off. You can't bring that hair back. It's stiff. It don't move. You know what I'm saying? And so here I've had this hair in for a few weeks now, and it did frizz. It did everything that I expected it to do. This is the second time I've worn this hair, actually. Now that I think about it, yeah, this is the second time I've worn this hair. Yeah. And if I did a video on any of those installs, then that's the one that I will link. But anyway, I knew that this hair was going to frizz. I knew that, it wasn't going to, I thought that it wasn't going to snap back, because the two times that I wore it, I had a horrible experience. I didn't try to revive it. I just pretty much cut it out and moved on to the next style. I never tried to restore the hair to see, what happens. Like once it gets frizzy, can you brush it? Can you add product? How does it do? And so here we're going to try that. We're going to see, it does get frizzy. It is going to get frizzy, but can we fix it? Is it fixable? Because if it's fixable, then, it's not going to be like a 3 out of 10 for me. It'll be more like maybe a 6, because that means it's just high maintenance hair versus just hair that's just not good quality. So what I'm doing, I am going through and brushing the hair. When I'm doing that, what I do is I use my mister with just water. And then I also spray on the Be Famous Beauty's crochet snapback spray. So if you're going to get this hair, get that spray. And I mean, yes, this does get a little commission off of that or whatever. Cool. Now, I will say that a lot of people love Hawaiian Silky. I haven't heard them specifically, use Hawaiian Silky with this hair. I don't use it because I'm allergic to it. And the snapback spray is all natural. So for me, like, it doesn't aggravate my allergies. It doesn't break me out, anything like that, because my skin is really sensitive. Everything on me is really sensitive, unfortunately. So like, y'all see that? Like, I didn't even do a perimeter. Oh my God, the install is awful. But anyway, so basically, like I said, I'm doing the mister. I'm using the snapback spray to give it some slippage. And then I'm going through with a paddle brush and brushing it out, and then twisting it up and moving on to a next section of hair. And then you'll see how it comes back at the end. Pretty much, you guys, I love this hair. Y'all, like, I wanted it in a OT 30, but I couldn't find it anywhere. I have been trying to find that color for forever, but can't find it anywhere. So I settled for this. It was at my local beauty supply store. I want to say the hair ran about $8.99 a bag. I used a total of 5 bags. And I layered it a bit, but not too much. You really don't have to, because his hair falls beautifully. And yeah, this hair, it is not a expanding hair. This hair settles. So that means that, you know, it might be average looking when you install it, but it's gonna look like it's missing something a few days later because it settles. It doesn't get bigger, it gets smaller, it calms down. So, you know, if you install this hair, I suggest you installing like a half a pack to another whole pack of extra hair. Like, it to you might be big that day, but I promise you, after about 3 or 4 days, it will not look like that anymore. The first time I installed this hair, I made that mistake. I only used like 3 packs, and I had a full head, and I thought it was gorgeous. And then in like 2 days, I had to go back and add more hair because it was just like, look, I was just missing something. Like, I ain't have it all there. So definitely, you know, I would suggest adding more hair than you usually would on your install for this hair. But yeah, it actually, y'all, it snapped back pretty cute. So y'all let me know in the comment section, you know, what you think of this hair, how you feel about it. Let me know your vibe on it. I'm feeling this 99J. I didn't think that I would. I really wanted a 30, but y'all, that 99J, I feel like it's popping. Like, I feel like it's popping. Y'all let me know. Let me know in the comment section. And is there anything else I want to say before I turn this beat on? Because, you know, we gotta have some music. I think that's it. Y'all, thank you so much. Please like this video, share my channel. We're trying to build up the family. We're trying to get to that 10K. And all y'all, do remember that we have memberships coming up when we hit 10K. So y'all be on the lookout for that and come and join the membership gang. So let's drop this beat, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car till you get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me.